Good morning, student of class 3. How are you? I hope you all are fit and healthy. Welcome back to your EVS class. Today date is 15 December 2020 and I am teaching you chapter number 20 and name of the chapter is Unity in Diversity. So student, let's do little recapitulation what we have done in our previous video. So student, in this chapter you will understand the national symbols and what is the importance of these symbols for the people of the country. So student, I have already told you that our country India is the seventh largest country in the world. What is the position of our country in the world? The position of our country is seventh in the world. And when we are talking about our country, student, then our country is present time. You will see that our country is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. So your book is old. In your book it is given 29 states and 7 union territories. But the present data is India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. So, and what is the capital of our country? Delhi is the capital of our country. So all these things we have discussed. So after that, see student, unity and diversity. I hope the meaning of the word diversity, why we use this word diversity for our country, I hope in the previous video this is clear to you. So small recapitulation, again I tell you why we say unity in diversity. See student, people belonging to different religions are living in our country, like Hindus, Muslim, Sikh, Christians, Jainism, Buddhism. So people belonging to different religions are living in our country. And in the beginning I told you that India is divided into 28 states and 8 union territories. 28 states and 8 union territories. If you see student, the people living in different state, you will find there is lot of difference in the culture of the people living in different part of the country. उनके जो रहन सहन का ढंग है या तरीके हैं उसमें भी बहुत डिफरेंस आपको देखने को मिलेगा. Even their eating habits also, clothes which they wear, that also, and the languages spoken, people speaking different languages in different part of the country. We know that what is the mother tongue language of our country, that is Hindi. But you will find people speaking different languages in different part of the country. So these all things, that is the word, that is the reason the word diversity is used. Because in our country, that is India, only that is India, you will find lot of differences. Even that the people are united, they all stand for the nation. This much differences you will not find in other countries. So much diversity you will not find in other countries. So even people united together and they stand for their country India. So student, now the next step arises. People belonging to so much diversity is in our country, then how this country, that is India, binds together? So the reason is our national symbols. The reason is our national symbols. Our national symbols, national anthem, and the national emblem. This is the reason why all the people bind together. National symbols, national anthem, and national emblem. Beside this, I have already discussed with you, or I have already explained you about the national animal of India, national flower of India, national bird of India, national song of India. This thing also we have discussed in our previous video. And in the current time, we are discussing the about our national flag. So student, when we are talking about our national flag, so national flag is symbol of our freedom and unity, because on 15th August 1947 our country got the freedom from the British rule. So national flag is the symbol for our freedom. It means that now in present time our country is not ruled by another country. It happens in the past. In present time our country is not ruled by any other country. So student, it is our duty to respect and ऑनर आवर नेशनल फ्लैग. हमें अपने नेशनल फ्लैग का क्या सम्मान करना चाहिए. इज इट क्लियर? सो when we are talking about the national flag, then the first point is the shape of the national flag is rectangular. What is the shape? Okay, the shape of our national flag is rectangular, and you know about this in mathematics. Already you have done, your mathematics teacher have already told you what do you mean by rectangle. Rectangle is a closed figure whose opposite sides are equal. Is it clear? So the shape of our national flag is rectangular and tricolor. In Hindi we also say Tiranga to our national flag. Is it clear? In Hindi we also say Tiranga because three colors you will see in their national flag, that is saffron, white and green. So this is the reason also we say Tiranga also to our national flag. Now after that, saffron, color at the top, then white color in the middle, and green color at the bottom. So the color which you see in your flag, that is saffron, white and green. Saffron is also we can say kesariya in Hindi. So these three colors which you see in your map, they also stand or they also give some message to the people. Saffron color in Hindi you can say kesariya. This color means stands for sacrifice. ये वर्ड आपने तब भी सुना होगा. मैनी पीपल, मैंने आप लोग को बताया होगा कि मैनी ऑफ द पीपल सेक्रीफाइस देयर लाइफ. जब मैं आप लोग को नेशनल फेस्टिवल के बारे में बता रहा था, इन द स्ट्रगल ऑफ द फ्रीडम मैनी पीपल सेक्रीफाइस देयर लाइफ फॉर द कंट्री. बहुतों ने बलिदान दिया था, अपनी जान तक दे दी थी कंट्री के लिए. इज इट क्लियर? सो These saffron color stands for sacrifice, and then the middle is white color. This color stands for peace. Mahatma Gandhi. Due to the efforts of Mahatma Gandhi, we got the freedom from the British rule. In 1915, Gandhiji returned from South Africa. Then he traveled all part of the country, and he realized that peoples are suffering in the British rule, and especially the poor people. So Gandhiji decided to fight against the British rule or British government. Many of the Andolans are launched by Mahatma Gandhi at that time, and Gandhiji always follow the path of non-violence. ठीक है, नॉन वायलेंस, अहिंसा. मतलब ब्रिटिश से उन्हें फाइट तो की, लेकिन फाइट मतलब ये नहीं लड़ाई झगड़ा नहीं, मारपीट नहीं. he always follow the path of non-violence, and people from all region of the country stand together and for the nation, and due to this, in the end, British have to go back from India, and we got our freedom in on 15th August 1947. So white color in the middle, it stand for peace, शांति का प्रतीक है ये. And green color which you see in your flag, that is stands for prosperity, मतलब देश की खुशहाली का प्रतीक है. Is it clear? Now see student, in the center, navy blue wheel, you will see in the center is a navy blue wheel. What is this? This is the Ashoka Chakra. This navy blue wheel is a Ashoka Chakra. Okay, and this has been taken from the Ashoka pillar and is the symbol of dharma. Okay, so आप in your city Varanasi, आप सारनाथ जाओगे, then you will see this. So ये यहीं से लिया गया है, ठीक है, from the city Varanasi. And how many, ये जो आप अशोका चक्र देख रहे हो, so how many lines are there in this chakra? ये जो आप देख रहे हो बेटा सेंटर में ये आप देख रहे हैं this, so these are 24, these are 24 है ये, ठीक है. and what is the color of this? that is a navy blue wheel है. किस कलर की है? navy blue wheel. and So let's do little recapitulation, and after that we will discuss rules to follow when we see our national flag. Then what rules we should follow at that time. So student, in the beginning I told you national flag is a symbol of freedom and unity of our country. ठीक है, इससे हम ये रियलाइज करते हैं कि हमारी कंट्री क्या है, फ्रीडम है. नाउ आवर कंट्री इज नॉट रूल्ड बाय एनी अनदर कंट्री. सो द नेशनल फ्लैग स्टैंड्स फॉर आवर फ्रीडम एंड यूनिटी. And when we see our national flag, then the shape of our national flag is rectangular tricolor, and this ratio is 3:2. It means 3 is the length of the national flag and 2 is the height, क्योंकि ये स्टेट ऐसे होता है. ठीक है, फ्लैग हमेशा स्टेट है ना, क्योंकि जब हम लोग पिक्चर बनाते हैं रेक्टेंगल की कॉपी में तो वो फ्लैट सरफेस पे होती है. वो किस पे होती है, फ्लैट सरफेस पे होती है. ठीक है, तब हम लोग लेते हैं वो लेंथ है, ये ब्रेथ है. बट इट इज इन द, जब भी हम लोग फ्लैग को होस्ट करते हैं इट इज इन द स्टैंडिंग पोजीशन. तो 3 इसकी लेंथ मांगी और 2 इसकी हाइट मांगी. इज इट क्लियर? सो ट्राई-कलर फ्लैग, it is also known as tiranga in Hindi. The top color in the flag is saffron, which is also known as kesariya, and these colors stands for the sacrifice. बलिदान का प्रतीक है. Then the middle color, which is white, and this color stands for the peace. It means शांति का प्रतीक. And next the color at the bottom, which is green. So this color stand for prosperity of our country, means खुशहाली का प्रतीक है. कौन कलर? that is your green color. And अशोका चक्र, जो सेंटर में जो व्हील है, ये क्या है? अशोका चक्र है, धर्म का प्रतीक है. एंड इट इज टेकन फ्रॉम वाराणसी. इफ यू गो टू सारनाथ तो आप देखोगे वहां पे अशोका चक्र भी है. और एम्बलम में जो आपने शेर देखे हैं, लाइन देखे हैं ना, वो भी कहां से लिए गए हैं? ये सारनाथ से. विच यू ऑलवेज सी इन क्वाइन और नोट्स एंड द पेपर ऑफ इंडिया गवर्नमेंट पेपर पे आपको वही देखने को मिलता है. तो डैट ऑल नेशनल एम्बलम जो है डैट इज टेकन फ्रॉम, वो सिंबल्स कहां से लिए हैं? सारनाथ से. एंड इट इज इन वाराणसी. क्लियर? नाउ सी रूल्स टू फॉलो. Rules to follow. When we follow this rule, when we see our national flag, we need to follow some rules when we host the tricolor. ट्राइकलर यहां इसलिए लिखा क्योंकि मैंने ऑलरेडी आपको बताया है कि इन हिंदी वी आल्सो से नेशनल फ्लैग को हम तिरंगा भी बोलते हैं. दैट इज द रीजन इन द बुक इट इज गिवन वी नीड टू फॉलो सम रूल्स व्हेन वी होस्ट द ट्राइकलर. जब झंडा फहराते हैं ना हम लोग, तो हमें क्या क्या रूल्स फॉलो करने हैं, दैट वी विल डिस्कस. द saffron band has to be on the top and green at the bottom. Okay, saffron band, saffron band has to be on the top and green at the bottom. Second is, no other flag can be placed over and above national flag. No other flag can be placed over and above our national flag. Is it clear? Next, the flag has to be brought down at sunset, folded and put away properly. Now see, student, what are the rules we follow? See, whenever we host our national flag, so saffron band जो होगा, that is on the top. ठीक है, ये नहीं कि ग्रीन को टॉप पे कर दिया. नो, whenever you host the flag, जब भी आप फ्लैग को होस्ट करोगे, तो saffron band is to be on the top and green band at the bottom. This is the right position to host the flag. अगर आप ग्रीन ऊपर कर दे रहे हो, saffron नीचे, so that is not right. Okay, so this is the rule that saffron band has to be on the top and green band at the bottom. Next, no other flag can be placed over. कोई भी फ्लैग को आप नेशनल फ्लैग के ऊपर नहीं रख सकते. एंड अबव आवर नेशनल फ्लैग, मान लो जहां भी आपने अपना नेशनल फ्लैग होस्ट किया है, उस फ्लैग से ऊंचा कोई और फ्लैग नहीं होना चाहिए, क्योंकि वो नेशनल फ्लैग है. दिस इज द नेशनल फ्लैग ऑफ आवर कंट्री. सो नो अदर फ्लैग कैन बी प्लेस ओवर, उसके ऊपर भी नहीं रख सकते, नॉट अबव द नेशनल फ्लैग. अगर नेशनल फ्लैग होस्टेड है तो उससे ज्यादा हाइट पे कोई दूसरा फ्लैग नहीं होना चाहिए बेटा. इज इट क्लियर? एंड नेक्स्ट, द फ्लैग हैज टू बी ब्रॉट डाउन. और जो फ्लैग हम लोग होस्ट करते हैं ना, उसको फिर उतारते कब है? व्हेन वी ब्रॉट डाउन एट सनसेट, and after that we folded the flag and kept it properly. ये नहीं है कि फ्लैग को उतारा कैसे भी है, क्लोथ है और ऐसे रख दिया. नो, आफ्टर दैट at the time when the flag will come down, when we brought down the flag down at sunset. जब आप लोग बोलते हो ना सूरज, क्या बोलते हो? सूरज डूब रहा है. वो तो मैंने तुम लोग को चैप्टर अर्थ में बताया ही है. So, time of a sunset, we brought down the flag and after that we folded the flag and kept it properly. Okay, so thank you student.